Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the VWAP indicator right here on NinjaTrader. And we are using right here the NinjaTrader web trader, so for me that is fine. I love the web trader of NinjaTrader. But right now what we're going to do is we select right here the indicators. Select indicator and then go right here to the search icon where we will fill in right here VWAP. Then we go right here to VWAP and now we are having here the VWAP options. So what we're going to do right here, select the color, select the type of line, right here the opacity, and then you can decide right here the input, select right here if you want to add something more, and then you can shift right here if you want to do that, but that is fine for now. And let's do a color right now. No, let's do green. And then we click right here on save. And then there we have it, our nice VWAP line. So this is how you can add the VWAP indicator, and hopefully this was exactly the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.